Let's take a look at problem 15A. You can download this and all of my problems in the workbook. It's just linked below, or go to tonybell.com. You'll find a PDF file, no signups, none of that stuff. Let's jump into the problem. Consider the following personal tax brackets. And there's a bunch of tax brackets. It says, assume a person governed by these tax brackets earns $175,000 this year. How much tax do they owe? Okay, the rookie mistake is you find 175 on the table. You'd say, oh, it's somewhere on this line of the tax bracket. We would earn 175K. Therefore, 175 times 45%. That's how much I owe in taxes. That's not how tax brackets work. For our first $50,000 we earn, we pay 20%. For our next 50, 28%. For our next 50, 37. And so only 25,000 of our 175, the last 25 is taxed at 45%. So it's 50K at 20%. It's 50K at 28%. It's 50K at 37%. And then it's just, to get to 175, it's our last 25K at 45%. So let's do some math. 50 times 20%, that's $10,000. 50 times 28%, $14,000. I did it quick in my head there. I should have trusted myself. 50 times 37%, $18,500. And last but not least, 25,000 times 45% is 11,250. Okay, so then our total tax bill here is going to be 10,000 plus 14,000 plus 18,500 plus 11,250. Our total tax bill is 53,750. But we've answered it. Question 1, how much tax do they owe? 53,750. What's their average tax rate? Well, you take that 53 grand and you divide by how much we earned, 175 grand. So take 53 divided by 175. And on average, it's 30.7%. What is our marginal tax rate? Our marginal tax rate is the tax rate on the next dollar we earn. So if, let's just say we got a consulting contract and we were able to make $10,000 more dollars, right? Some extra contract. So we weren't going to make 175, we're going to make 185. What's the taxes on that new $10,000 we make? The tax rate is 45%. That's sort of where we're sitting on the tax scale. So the marginal tax rate is any new money that comes in. What's the tax rate going to be on that? 45%. Which rate, the average or the marginal, should we use when doing project analysis in corporate finance? The answer here is marginal. I'll just blurt out the answer. Let me explain why. When we're looking at new projects, we're looking at typically additional projects. So it's like that new consulting gig. If I bring in $10,000 extra dollars, what am I taxed at? The number 30.7% doesn't mean anything to the new project. All new dollars that this company brings in are going to be taxed at 45%. So that's the number you use in project analysis. That's the most appropriate number to use. And there'd be one more thing that's appropriate to use. I hope you use one of those buttons as you click away from this video. All right, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.